The IRS is now using artificial intelligence and is going to change everything about how your taxes are reviewed. Congress just introduced a bill called the Detect Act, and it directs the Government Accountability Office to study how the IRS can apply AI to fight tax fraud. And this is part of a much bigger push to modernize enforcement. So today, we'll compare how audits used to work versus how they will work now with this new AI in place. And we're gonna break down the Detect Act so you'll know exactly how the IRS is already using AI, what it means for your taxes, and what you can do to protect yourself. All that plus more on today's episode. What's up, family? Welcome back to another episode of Tax Free Living. I'm your host, Carter Cofield, and today we're going to be talking about how the IRS is going to be using AI in their audits. So let's start with how things used to work. Audits were never truly random. The IRS relied on an older scoring system and manual review. That means that only a fraction of returns could realistically be audited, and we're talking complex partnerships or offshore accounts, and these could take years to untangle. And in many cases, questionable deductions simply slip through the cracks. Now compare that to the IRS armed with AI. Now algorithms are going to be able to scan millions of returns automatically, right? Using machine learning models that can spot patterns that human auditors would normally miss. So what does this mean? This means things like owners' webs, shell companies that once took years to unravel can now be mapped out in days. And with crypto, AI-backed blockchain tools are making it harder than ever to hide behind wallets or discrete transfers. So where the IRS used to have blind spots, the AI-powered IRS has a spotlight. Gray areas that taxpayers normally relied on are shrinking, and they're shrinking fast. So how does this actually play out on your return? Let's walk through what happens when AI flags a deduction. So here's the process. You file your return, just like always, and the IRS AI agent compares your write-off against industry averages and against your prior filings. And if something looks like an outlier, from there, the system cross-checks against other information like 1099s, 1099Ks, W-2s, and other third-party data. And if an anomaly remains, the return is routed to a human auditor for deeper review. Think about this like airport security. Every bag goes through a scanner, and then suspicious shapes trigger a flag, and then the human agent steps in to open the bag. AI is the scanner, and it's fast, precise, and relentless. And this is not the first time that technology has changed enforcement. We've seen patterns like this before. Back in the 1960s, the IRS started using computers to match W-2s and 1099, and compliance jumped almost overnight. In the 2000s, we saw that e-filing gave the IRS instant access to data, which cut refund fraud by billions. Every wave of technology has made enforcement sharper, and AI is simply the next jump, and probably the biggest one yet. And this is why lawmakers are paying attention and backing it with legislation. In August 2025, the lawmakers introduced the Detect Act, and this is short for Digital Evaluation for Tax Enforcement and Compliance Tracking. Now here's the thing, this bill doesn't just hand the IRS new powers on one day. Instead, it directs the GAO to deliver a full report on how AI can be applied to enforcement. And when you think about it, the timing actually makes sense, because just last year alone, in 2024, reports showed that 9.1 billion in tax and financial fraud was identified. And lawmakers see that AI as a way to close that gap even more without dramatically having to expand the IRS workforce. But here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't just coming, it's low-key already here. What do I mean by that? Well, a Treasury watchdog found that 68 AI projects are underway inside the IRS, and 27 of the 68 is focused on direct enforcements via audits. So this isn't hypothetical. AI is already influencing audits that are selected today. And this now raises the question, well, what will AI do going forward if it's already being implemented today? The way I see it, when we look ahead, AI will expand the IRS's reach in three major major ways. First, it will spot suspicious deductions. For example, like a freelancer writing off $60,000 in meals when the industry average is only $6,000. So it's gonna detect suspicious deduction and anomalies. Number two, it will target abusive strategies. So hobby loss rules, sham LLCs, or even inflated home office deductions that previously slipped away. And third, and probably most important, it will untangle these complex financial structures like shell companies, circular payments, offshore layering strategies. What once took years of forensic accounting will now be able to be unraveled in days. And this is the kind of power shift that honestly, we've never seen in enforcement before. So now, with all this being said, what does this mean for the everyday taxpayer like you? Well, it simply means that gray areas are shrinking, more returns can be reviewed without adding more auditors, and it means that the burden of proof falls squarely on you, the filer. So what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's when you're filing your returns. Because last year alone, the IRS closed over 500,000 audits and had over $29 billion in additional tax by enforcing these audits. And with AI and these upcoming changes, things could be a lot worse in the future. Now, if you're a business owner and investor, things can get a little more tricky because you are the people that the IRS is after with these audits, because let's face it, business owners and investors have a lot more opportunity to shelter their income from taxes. So my advice is, if you're operating multiple LLCs or C Corps and S Corps, you wanna make sure that your documentation is in place and that you're renewing your entities on time, and more importantly, that you're properly recognizing income and properly recognizing expenses. And if you're in real estate, you wanna make sure that your depreciation schedules are on point and that you're not doing any interpersonal transfers. And last but not least, my crypto investors, AI-driven blockchain analytics are gonna be even more easy to see with these AI agents. So if you're buying and selling crypto, which is a taxable event, you wanna make sure, again, your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. And here's the overarching sentiment, okay? I like to compare IRS audits like going to the dentist. If you've been brushing your teeth and flossing and doing the things that you're supposed to do, you're not scared of going to the dentist. But on the other hand, if you've been eating candy, not brushing your teeth, not flossing, if you've been having a toothache for 3 months, you should be scared to go to the dentist because you know bad news is coming. And it's the same way with audits. If you know you're improperly recognizing income and you're improperly categorizing expenses, you should be worried. But if you're a business owner that's working with a competent CPA or competent tax strategist and you're making sure that all your schedules and all your deductions are legit, I don't think you have too much to worry about. Now, this brings me to my final point, and that is the roles of tax professionals. With this new AI agent, I believe that the role of tax professionals is changing, and it's changing for the better. People are no longer going to be seeking out tax preparers to simply file their taxes. They're going to be seeking out tax professional strategists and CPAs that will help them not only file their taxes, but more importantly, enhance their deductions and making sure all the schedules on their tax returns are up to date and legitimized. And this is something that honestly, I'm happy to see, because as a tax strategist, my goal is to help save my client money on taxes, but also help them strategically avoid audits by making sure that everything is aligned. So if you used to work with a tax preparer and are now looking to work with a tax strategist, now would be the time. And if you're looking for somebody to help you with your taxes, check the link in this video, click the link, you'll be able to book a call with our team or join one of our trainings so you can see what it looks like to work with an actual tax strategist. So in summary of everything, here's what you need to know. Number one, the IRS is using AI today and will be using AI even more in the future. Number two, if you're having fraudulent activities or improper deductions on your tax returns, they will be easily able to flag these and easily able to audit you. With this new AI, it's gonna be shrinking those gray areas. They're gonna be able to review more returns in less time, and they're probably gonna be able to pull billions back into the system by using this new AI technology. But for you, if you're taking care of the things you're supposed to be taking care of, you don't have anything to worry about. But this video was to let you know that if your ducks weren't in the row before, it's time to get them in the row in the future. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and send this to a friend, because the IRS and their AI agents are on the way, whether you're ready or not. Other than that, guys, I'll see you all on the next episode.